Hey everyone. Hey everyone, today I'll be doing the trying to cut my own hair with an electric razor challenge. So the first step is to take all of the hair that you don't want to trim on the side and put it in a headband, I guess. So I'll do that step. So that step went really good. So now here's the part when I trim the sides with an electric razor. So the first step is to, trim it. So it's going really good so far. And here we have a guest. Jackson's here. So how does it look so far, Jackson?
I don't see a difference.
Well, I just started.
Vegetable bolt cutters. I've been in here too long. Vegetable bolt cutters.
How's it look, Jackson?
Looks fine.
So here's how it looks. And now the other side. Progress report on the sink. So back to step 2.
I would not do the back, I'm just saying.
Okay. I'm just,
Yeah, hold the flow up.
that's what I was trying to do with the headband, but
Okay,
I
well,
don't
you
know.
don't have long enough hair.
How about this?
Yeah, that's better.
Is that good? So this is a
Do you want
redo
to
of step
I have a
1.
headband.
No, it's okay. This is good. We're just going slightly back, and now we'll redo steps 2 and 3.
What, did you look this up?
No.
Losing him was blue like I never known. Missing him was dark, gray, all alone. Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never met. But loving him was red. Loving him was red. Touching him was like realizing all you ever wanted was right there in front of you.
Okay, hair check. A lot of hair. Johnny has very much decided to go full on.
Go big or go home, baby.
That is true. Okay, yeah, you need
Should I try to cut the? Do you want to get the back?
I mean, what do you want me to do? That's the real.
I don't know. Just trim it.
Well, do you want me to just try and make it even? Because you definitely.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you.
Get it even.
I
But
don't
should
even know
I
how to
turn
do.
around?
I don't even know how to do this.
Okay, so you push it up, and then just go like that. So I'm trusting Jackson to cut my hair with a razor that he's never used before. So this is step 5.
Okay. Oh wait, you gotta get the hair down.
Make sure the viewers can see it.
Okay, so here's my thought process. Okay, I got a flow in the back, as you see. So we're gonna have to layer his shit down. Some dandruff cutty, and then so I'm getting it down, and then what? How much do you want? It doesn't look that long, bro.
What?
Like, look at the back. Do you want me to show you the back? It literally doesn't. I mean, I can get a little bit.
Yeah, just get a little bit even. Just make it even for what I chopped.
You can't really even it out at this point, but.
Bet my money on a stupid horse, I lost that. So I ran out to the track to get my cash back. I just gotta leave this place with a big bag. So I found a fucking jockey and I grabbed that. Pushed him down to the ground and I punched him in his face.
My head
It's not
shot.
really even, but I got Oh wait.
Is it bad?
No, it's not that bad. No, if you put it down, it's not that bad.
What do you mean?
Look at it! Look at it!
I
You gotta
can't look at it. It's the back of my head.
Let me take a picture. I don't think it's that bad.
What did he
I don't think
do?
it's that bad.
Okay, I think this is pretty good.
Look. I don't think it's that bad.
Okay, take a picture of the back of my head. I can always have mom fix it.
Doesn't even look that bad.
That's fine. I don't even know what you're
Like,
talking
I don't
about.
even think, I don't.
This is also what Jackson's phone looks like, so it's hard. I guess you can't really see it.
I fucking dropped my phone. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, wait, go back, wait, stay. Yeah, I fucking did it even, bro. I'm kind of nice. Except there's
Good
like,
work, Jackson.
there's just a little, wait, let me just, yeah, it's a little, I mean, it's a little like jaggedy, but.
It's DIY.
It's
So here's how it looks. It pretty much looks exactly the same, just like thinned out a little bit. This ear, ooh, this ear is definitely shorter. But I'm going to take a shower now and, you know, get some of the excess hair out. Washing my hair. So as you may have guessed, step 6 is to take a shower, and step 7 is to ask your mom how it looks and have her fix it.
I just fell out of the porch. Lost some money in my bank account.